Hello everyone, welcome to the channel. First of all, sorry for the lack of updates, but as you can see on the photos, the car is already running. Meanwhile, we're going to make this video anyway, resuming the assembly of the gearbox and the first start and the rest of the build. Enjoy! Today's task: removing the old mount, replacing by this Anderson Steel on Speed B230 engine mounts. Here we have both. The difference is pretty awesome. So here they are in the place, looking really good. Let's see how the engine behaves in terms of vibrations, because these mounts are very stiff. Fast forward a few weeks, the engine bay was almost assembled, as you can see. Not a lot of videos made on that part because it's really boring and it's only assembling part. Here we have some zinc plated parts. Big shout out to Build by Mika for making the initial setup and base map. At this point, I needed a suitable gearbox for this engine. But luckily, our friend Johannes Stromberg from Sweden had his complete swap for sale in Sweden, so we went for it, and I'm going to show how to assemble it in the 240. Begin putting the gearbox into place. New input shaft bearing here in the crank. All the tunnel. Paint. We have to hammer a bit here because the gearbox is too tall, so it doesn't fit well. Don't have video removing the old stuff. It's basic, so everything ready to put the new gearbox. And here we have the new gearbox. It's welded on the Volvo M90 bell housing. This is a GS6 37DZ gearbox out of BMW 3 Series and 90, I think. As you can see, also this shorted and custom bracket to all the gearbox. Okay, here we have the flywheel in place. Yeah, I know it's used. So here in the bolts, we're going to use 4 OEM ones and 4 RRP ones. The RRP bolts here, as you can see, little bit of torquing paste on the head and a little bit of thread lock. Okay, now I'm going to put the clutch in place. Gearbox is more or less in place. One-man job is a bit hard. Can't be able to film while I put this in place, but yeah, you get the point. Gearbox in place. Shifter rod shortened to fit the MKM shifter. Gearbox mount with rubber mounts and drive shaft in position now. New joint here. This is a BMW unit, a little bit shortened over here. BMW bearing too, and we are ready to go. Okay, everything ready. And here we have the clutch line, guided one, little window to see inside the gearbox, see the bearing, everything. With this setup, we have to change the pedal. This one is the pull type for the cable clutch, and this one is the new one for the hydraulic pump, that is the pull. Clutch master cylinder here in place. At this point, moving on its own power. On fabrication, built by Mika, got us covered. He built full exhaust, 76mm stainless steel, and all aluminum piping for the intercooler and intercooler modification. At this point, we doubled the stock horsepower numbers to 220 horsepower at the wheels, making 1.2 bar of boost pressure. Overall, the car is really good and really fun to drive, but we have to upgrade the suspension department because it drives like a boat.
Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.